your hands, arms, feet, legs, and set the boat at all times. And parents, please supervise your children. Yeah, I don't want to. Ready? We'll galoosh! Happy Adventureland Day. We are so excited that you decided to join us here on the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Sky. I'll be your skipper, tour guide, social cruise director, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor. Good, because I don't know how to swim. Okay. All right, well, welcome to the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. Now, by my calculations, that's every other day. This seems to me like we missed this one. Yeah, but fun facts about the wildlife that live here. Our butterflies, their wingspan can grow anywhere from 12 inches to 1 foot. It's just fun facts. I'm full of them. You'll see. Anywho, we are now at Inspiration Falls. Now, friends, people ask me all the time, Skipper Sky, why is it called Inspiration Falls? Well, I'll tell you. If you look at it long enough, it inspires you to go. Oh, sorry, deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Yeah, deeper and deeper. Yeah, you know, speaking of going deeper and deeper into the jungle, we are now entering onto the Congo River. So let's see just how far we can go. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I spent a long time on it. Anywho, now who's hungry? Go ahead and raise your hand. You're hungry? Okay. How do we feel about piranha? I've heard it's always good for a bite. No, that's okay. Okay. The menu says something about a snake surprise. I'm not exactly sure what that entails, but I'm sure if I just keep repeating it, it'll make sense. Snake surprise. Snake surprise. I still... Snake! Snake. Okay. Surprise! Oh my goodness gracious! My friends, I'm so sorry! I accidentally drove us into banana country, so please keep your eyes peeled, because it is time to split! What? Are we not fan of banana jokes? That's not good, because I have a bunch. Hopefully the rest of y'all find it more appealing. Because I continue on. Yeah, you got it? Yeah. Welcome to the Nile River here in Africa. Now the Nile River goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, you must be in denial. And right behind me is the Skippy. Hi, Skippy. Skippy is an African bull elephant. Now, when talking about elephants, they do in fact have the best memory in the entire jungle. I wish I had a memory like that. How about my job? Look at Skippy! Hi, Skippy! Skippy is an African bull elephant. You know, fun fact about elephants, they do in fact have the best memory in the entire jungle. I wish I had a memory like that. It would really help with my job. Yeah. Alright, now we are now entering onto the African vulture, which holds up my very African fans. We have a variety of wildlife such as wildebeest, giraffes, gazelles, zebras, and even a side of lions. Now, it looks like those gorillas are watching over that sleeping zebra. She looks dead. Tired. Dead, tired. So you have to be fully seated. Yeah, she looks dead tired, but we should probably let her rest. You know, fun fact about the lions over here, they can run up to 32 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animal in the entire jungle. Yeah. Thank you. Uh-oh. Okay, well, this was supposed to be our tour. Skipper Felix, what are you doing? I told you not to get out of your boat on your first day. Then again, what a rhino, you know? I actually know a lot, especially pertaining to rhinos. Did you know that they can run up to 32 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animal in the entire jungle? Crazy, right? Now right over here, these are my two favorite frogs. This is Smiley and Ginger. Now, Ginger, I would not get too close to her. Ginger snaps. Now, she's a tough cookie. But I will say that they can run up to 32 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animal in the entire jungle. Cool, right? Now, right in front of you is the prettiest sight you'll see all day. Stop it! I'm a middle child. You don't know what makes me say. But that? Oh, don't worry. That's Schweitzer Falls. We'll go over it later. Now, people ask me all the time, Skipper Sky, how did you land your job here in the jungle? Well, I think it's pretty plain to see. Yeah, I took a crash course and I've been winging it ever since. Yeah, my career just never quite took off. Honestly, the hardest part of that job was the ground. Yeah. Anyway, we are surrounded by hippos. Okay, 2 fun facts. Hey friends, we have to be fully seated for me. Fully seated in the back. Thank you. up to 32 miles per hour, making it the fastest land animal in the entire jungle. Also, I've heard if you listen closely enough, sometimes you can hear a baby hippo calling for its mom. I really hope that baby hippo finds her mom. She sounds sad. Anywho, now the other day, I think was telling me. Oh, sorry, 1 second. The ships were trying to speak to me. Are you sure? No way. Really? Alright, well the ships wanted me to let you know that the chimpanzees can run up to 32 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animal in the entire jungle. I did not know that one. That's crazy. Anyways, these are my two best friends, Liza and Annette. Yeah, Annette, she helps me catch my butterflies. And friends, fully seated please, thank you. My butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah. Anyways, my friends, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's so beautiful. Look at this basket. It's for the world. The backside of water! Okay, so when I do that, you guys have to scream, water! Thank you. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. You do not see that every day. I mean, I do. Every day. Anyway, welcome to the Bangkok River. And I'm going to be really honest with you, that total I've had, it's very got me nervous. Unfortunately, they never taught me how to turn around the boat, so we gotta go in. This one's going to be painful, friends. It looks like it's a root canal. Oh, friends, we have to be fully seated for you. Thank you. Continue on with my cruise. Alright, well welcome to the elephant bathing pool. Feel free to take all the pictures you need. They are in fact wearing their trunks. Yeah. And you know, if I'm talking about elephants while we're here, they can run up to 32 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animal in the entire jungle. They also have the best memory in the entire jungle. If I had a memory like that, that's how we really have to freak out. Stinky! Hey, yeah, you can't free water. Well, it's not very nice. Don't do that. No!
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
That's what we like to call dry humor. Yeah, I guess we just forgot to bring him his trunk, which is silly because elephants have the best memory in the entire jungle, so you think he would remember, but I think for you guys he did, right? Alright, well now I can, my favorite part of the tour is pointing out my favorite plants. Sorry, would that help if I named them? I can do that. That's Timothy, Patricia, and that's Samantha. I don't even know it's Samantha. That's my bad. I guess I forgot. You know who would have forgotten? An elephant. Because elephants are the best memory in the entire jungle. I wish I had a memory like that. Alright, my friends, it's the scariest part of our tour, the return to civilization. So please remain seated, keeping your hands on the ceiling and on the camera can. Please, my friends. Now, one last fun fact for you guys. Skipper Lizzie over here can run up to 32 miles per hour, making her the fastest land animal in the entire jungle. And now, if you guys have been following along even a little bit, that's what we like to call a running joke. Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it? Get out. Seriously, get out. Yeah, give me a standing ovation. Like I said, middle child.